Hello, everybody. I'm going to talk about decorators in Python. So, a decorator is particularly a function that extends the behavior of another function without modifying that base function. Pass the base function as an argument to the decorator function. For example, let's say we have a base function of get ice cream, and you can pass in a flavor of ice cream. Some people might want sprinkles on their ice cream, and others may not. And they might just want plain vanilla. But we could add sprinkles using a decorator by extending the behavior of the function where we get ice cream, where we're particularly adding sprinkles. But we may not want to change the base function because some people may not like sprinkles. So you can think of decorators as that way. You're adding something to a base function without basically changing it. So I'm going to show you guys how to create one. So let's start coding. I might just delete this whole half so we can start from scratch. Okay. Let's create a function to get ice cream. There'll be no parameters for now. And all we're going to do is print. We're just going to print the following message. Here is your ice cream. Okay. And then from there, to call this function, we got to call the get ice cream function, which is this. Okay. And we're executing the code right now. See if it works. It works, but I'm not seeing the output. The output is supposed to be here is your ice cream, but it's saying it works, so we're going to move on from there. Since the decorator is a function, we need to define it. So define add sprinkles. Okay. It's going to have one parameter. It's going to have one parameter, which is a function, but we're going to rename it func for now. Oops. Okay. So within the decorator function, we'll define the inner function of wrapper. There's no parameters, so I may or may not set that up later. Within the wrapper function, we'll call it the function that we receive. Within the wrapper function, we'll call it the function that we received. Then we return the wrapper function. So we're returning the entire function right now. This is basically the basic formula to create a decorator. Oh, we forgot to add the name of the decorator. Okay, so add sprinkles is a decorator. Actually, add add underscore sprinkles. Mm, okay, let me finish this half. Underscore sprinkles. Okay, go to the bottom half, print. We gotta tell it what that we're trying to add for sprinkles. So here we go. Oops. Slowly getting there. So I think this is one way to add sprinkles. Let's see if it works. Okay, this one didn't work, so we had to add sprinkles a different way. The decorator is not doing anything, so I think I need to print. I think I need to print a statement where we add sprinkles. I think I need to replace the calling function with the print statement at the bottom. Okay. Let's create another function where we print statement where we add sprinkles before it. I think that's what I need to do. So up to this half, I would say print the following message. You add sprinkles for this following message. Okay. Okay. That may be able to resemble sprinkles because this half didn't work, so I'm trying to implement it a different way. Let's see what happens. Ah, okay, that didn't work either. So, I see what the problem is. Let me delete that half. Yep, and it worked. At least this halfway. So this way of adding sprinkles didn't work. But if I print it this way, the output should be you add sprinkles. I was able to add it. Plus, this function, this way of function I use for get ice cream, it should output here is your ice cream. So the two outputs for these codes, I don't know why it's not showing it. It should be here. You add sprinkles from one, and here is your ice cream. So yeah. So basically, this was just a cool way to show you how decorators can be applied, and basically how I just used two examples, ice cream and sprinkles, and I just added a different flavor to the ice cream and made this little code. So hope that helps, and this is my final project, and Yeah, that's it. You guys have a good day.